am going to talk about eye contact. Eye contact is very important in public speaking, but I rarely use it. It's because I am used to using a script when I tell my speech. I would like to use tip 2, which is don't hold a script. I will try to understand the topic before I present my speech, and I will put my script away so that I won't rely on it. Thank you for listening to my speech.
The importance, about eye contact. Okay. Why we rarely give eye contact is because this will make us become stressed and more nervous while staring at the audience.
It's important to know that audience are listening or not. Through eye contact can read people's mind. Eye contact will give confidence to speaker. Eye become a form of communication with showing an interest and understanding messages. Have a nice day.